Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. In this video, we will discuss what is fatty liver and whether you need to worry about fatty liver or not. Most of you would have noticed that when you go for your master health checkup or even for any scan related to abdomen, there is a report includes fatty liver grade 1, grade 2 or even grade 3. So what exactly this is? Whether you need to do something about it. Let's discuss in detail. Before that, if you have not subscribed to NRG Healthcare, please subscribe and also press the bell icon. There are a lot of health related information available for general public from healthcare professionals. Let's see the video. So liver is one of the largest organ present in your body. This is present in your right side of the abdomen and the upper part. This does lot of good thing for you, starting from your digestion, especially the fat digestion. Liver has below the liver there is a gallbladder which produces a bile acid that helps in digestion of the fat, and also it regulates the blood sugar by releasing glycogen whenever you need to maintain the blood sugar level. It produces lot of good things like vitamins to regulate the clotting of the blood. Let's see this function in different video. Concentrate on what is fatty liver. Fat is made up of lot of cells. This cells has little bit of fat around it normally. But during the fatty liver, as the name implies, the fat deposits in the liver more than normal. Okay. So what will happen? If you have lot of fat, what happens is the irritation happens around the cells. So when there is irritation around the cells start to swell up. So there are a lot of reaction happening around the cells. This is called inflammation stage. The next step is, as you have any wound, when there is a wound and that start to dry up, what happens? It leaves a scar. So this fatty liver, fat cells become scar. So scar tissues forms inside the fatty cells. So when you look at a normal liver, it looks very healthy, pinkish, smooth, and as the liver goes for inflammation and scarring, it starts to show up and downs in the irregular surface. And also when you see the cells under the microscope, you can notice the inflammation and scar cells in the microscope. As the scar cells tissues increases, what happens is the liver start to shrink in size and it forms a cirrhosis. When the lot of fat cells goes for scarring and cirrhosis, the liver cannot do its function as normal. As we discussed, lot of function is carried out by the liver. So it leads to a liver failure. So these are the stages in consequences of fatty liver. And studies have found that lot of liver cancer is related to cirrhosis, and that again from the fatty liver. Previously there was not much awareness about this fatty liver, but currently lot of studies has found that final stage liver failure and cancer can be related to fatty liver. The one good thing is the first stage of fatty liver, that is just the fat deposition around the liver, is a reversible condition. So if we take some action like lifestyle action, modification, and advices which we'll discuss in future videos, we can reverse this fatty liver to normal liver completely. So that is a very good thing about fatty liver. So whether you want to proceed to the scarring, cirrhosis or liver failure or completely revert back to normal, there is a choice. So let's discuss those things like symptoms of fatty liver, how to find out fatty liver, what kind of lifestyle modification or treatment available for fatty liver during the subsequent session. If you like this video, please share with your friends and comment. Thank you for watching.